Looking to make your mark on YouTube? Well, you're not alone. The platform has become a breeding ground for talented content creators, eager to showcase their skills to the world. But if you're not careful, you could find yourself making some serious mistakes along the way. So, what should you not do on YouTube? It's a question that's been asked countless times, but the answer is constantly evolving. As we head into 2023, there are a few key things to keep in mind if you want to make a splash on the platform. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've got this. I know all the ins and outs of YouTube, but trust me, even the most seasoned veterans can fall victim to these common pitfalls. From neglecting your audience to relying too heavily on trends, these are the top 8 mistakes to avoid in 2023. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. By recognizing these mistakes and taking steps to avoid them, you'll be well on your way to creating engaging, original content that your viewers will love. So, let's dive in and make 2023 your best year on YouTube yet. Let's be real, bad music can ruin a great video, and sifting through copyright-free music libraries can be a real drag. You're not alone in feeling that way. Some of those tracks sound like they were made with a kazoo and a toaster. But fear not, my friends, there are great alternatives out there, like Pixabay Music, which offers a wide range of quality royalty-free tracks. Of course, there are other options too. Just make sure you choose wisely, because the right background music can take your video to the next level. Don't let lame tracks bring you down. Stop soundtracking your videos like a pro today. You love making content for YouTube, but let's not forget it's a business too. And like any good business person, you need to be strategic. If you want to monetize, don't just wing it, do your research. Find out where the money is and what niches have high competition. Your target audience matters too. Different demographics can mean different CPMs. So, before you hit record, take some time to think about your audience persona and how to target them for maximum earnings. Who says business can't be fun? Sure, we all want to go viral on YouTube, but obsessing over views can be a trap. You might get those clicks, but if your content doesn't provide value or connect with viewers, it won't matter in the long run. Instead of playing the algorithm game, focus on telling stories that excite, entertain, or educate your audience. Solve a problem, make them laugh, show them something new. Remember, people are people, not just numbers. One way to do this is by creating viewer personas. Who is your content for, and why should they care? What do they like, dislike, and want to see more of? By understanding your audience, you can create content that resonates and builds a loyal following. And don't worry about posting every day if it doesn't serve your viewers. Quality over quantity, always. So, take a deep breath, relax, and remember, it's not about the views, it's about the people behind them. Creating content for YouTube is not just about being a creator, it's also about being a viewer. If you want to stand out, you need to watch what's out there and learn from other successful creators. Take notes, pay attention to what works, and avoid their mistakes. Don't just stay in your own bubble, explore what others are doing and use it to inspire your own content. The more you learn from watching, the better equipped you'll be to make your own videos stand out. So grab some popcorn and stop watching. Don't get stuck in a rut with one video format. You won't know what works until you try it. Mix it up with how-to videos, listicles, sketches, and different lengths. And don't be afraid to try new YouTube features. Shorts is a great way to build views and jump on trends, and beginners can use it to grow an audience for their longer form content. And if you're feeling brave, give YouTube Live a go. Don't let your YouTube channel consume your entire life. Sure, creating content is exciting, but you need to recharge your batteries. Taking breaks for your hobbies or just enjoying a good book can actually boost your creativity. Remember, you don't need to be like Mr. Beast to succeed. Find a work and life balance that works for you and enjoy the ride. Stop waiting for the stars to align and stop creating content. Trends can come and go in a flash, so don't waste time waiting for the perfect moment. Instead, grab your smartphone and stop filming. Learning on the fly is part of the journey, and with each video, you'll improve. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on getting better every time. The creator economy is booming, and there's room for everyone to succeed. So take action and stop creating. Don't put all your eggs in one AdSense basket. Sure, it's great to monetize your YouTube channel with ads, but relying solely on them won't make you rich. The average rate is around $1 to $2 per 1,000 views, which won't cover your grocery bill. To make real money, you need to branch out with merchandise, sponsorships, affiliate links, and subscriptions. It's like having multiple side hustles that pay off while you sleep. Thanks for watching. In this video, we covered some common mistakes new YouTubers make and how to avoid them. Remember, don't wait for the perfect moment to start creating content. Experiment with different formats, and don't rely solely on ad revenue for income. It's also important to maintain a healthy work and life balance and to keep learning from other creators. By following these tips, you can set yourself up for success on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll never miss out on the newest videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.